Oh my God, my babies, you would never guess how much you can get 2 pair of gloves for. And the winter hats, 2 pair of gloves. Wow. Hey guys, I'm at the Fmily Dollar. Let's get in here and see what they got. $2 off, not bad. Toilet paper, 50 cents off. Charmin. $2 off. Airwick, $2 off. And they had a 6-pack, 5-pack. How much is that? Elver, baby, $2 off. And lotion, $2 off. $1 off for 2 packs. All the Halloween items over here. Ooh, I like that little clown one. Oh, they got Mickey Mouse, skeletons, spiders. Then they had a blankets. Carriages plush pillow for $8. They had those for $5. Their baskets is $1.25. They still had a 30% clearance off for the summer items. Not bad. You over here. Wow, guys. You would never guess how much their maintenance are. You would never guess how much their gloves are. 47 cents. Wow. 47 cents for 2. Wow. And then they have the hats and the scarves that go around your neck. The hats for your head for 47 cents. Wow, look at this brown one. Brown hat. Wow. Their hats is 47 cents. Wow, and their gloves is 47 cents. The hats and the gloves are 47 cents. Yep, 47 cents, guys. The hats and the gloves, 47 cents. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. 50% off of these. Wow. Look, guys, we got these down here for $125. Still got birthday stuff for sale. 297, and they seem like these things up there on clearance. The Pampers on sale, 25% off. Not bad. Yeah, those sale $4.97. What's SpongeBob? 30% off. I think it's $10, so it would be $7 for the pools. Those are on sale for 30% off. Those are on sale. Bluey balls on sale. $5 it would be $3.50. $5.97, guys. $5.97 for this. $5.97 for the 15-piece bathroom set. That's not bad. $6 regular price is $12. It's on sale for $5.97. I like that color too. That's $12. That one. That one's $15. Okay. What's on sale? Yeah, $2.97. It was still $2.97. A $5 one. Yeah, $6.97. The regular price is $15. Orange one right here. So I'm thinking $15. So they're $15. And that one says $7.50. That's $7.50. This is $7.50. That one is $6. Okay. Yeah, the rainbow ones are on sale. $4.97. Not bad. Half price. Okay. Ooh, $1, guys. These are $1 now. I don't think that was no $1. Oh my God. $1 for that. Wow. I know I don't need it. $1 though, guys. Wow, $1. Wow, $1. 85 cents, guys. That's good. $1 off for extras. It'll be $3.55. $3 and $2 off. 85 cents. $2 off. Not bad. $2 off for that. Not bad. $2 off. $2 off. These up here, $2 off. Not bad, guys. Down here, $2 off. $1.55, whatever that is, whatever. I don't know. $2 each. 2 for 4. Yeah. $2 each. And they have this stuff. Noodles. And that. Go to a Fry's to get some bread. I do not feel like stopping there now. $1.65 for them. Get that till I get to Fry's. That's 2 for 6. Yeah. God, I'm not gonna pay no $4. $1.80. I forgot to get some. Okay. Okay, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.